Well, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your touchscreen isn't working on your Samsung phone. The easiest way to do this is just hold down the power button and the volume down button. And if you hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds, it will automatically just restart your phone. If you just hold it down for like 2 or 3 seconds, it will open up this power menu. Now if you do have like a screen protector or something on it and it's just simply not responding, we can go to settings up here. And then there's something called touch sensitivity. We can just type in under search. So let's just do touch sensitivity. And we can turn this on. And it'll make it more sensitive. So you can see touch sensitivity is turned on. I can probably turn that off if I don't have a screen protector. So it's made for that reason. So if you have a thick screen protector, your screen will be easier to touch and move around now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.